him. For this purpose he ordered all the children that were in Bethlehem and in all the coasts thereof to be slain. One of the first miracles performed by Krishna when mature was the curing of a leper. One of the first miracles performed by Jesus when mature was the curing of a leper. Krishna was crucified, and he is represented with arms extended hanging on a cross. Jesus was crucified, and he is represented with arms extended hanging on a cross. Krishna descended into hell. Jesus descended into hell. Krishna, after being put to death, rose again from the dead. Jesus, after being put to death, rose again from the dead. Krishna ascended bodily into heaven, and many persons witnessed his ascent. Jesus ascended bodily into heaven, and many persons witnessed his ascent. Krishna is to come again on earth in the latter days. He will appear among mortals as an armed warrior riding a white horse.
Stop playing. Please like and subscribe, man. Only thing y'all gotta do is subscribe. Go to the playlist. It's massive information, man. Massive information for people who want to seek the truth. This was truth seekers.
The sun and moon will be darkened, the earth will tremble, and the stars fall from
Y'all see the comparisons?
Fascinating, isn't it? Well, is it a coincidence? Or is there something else going on? That's a lot of similarity to say that it's a coincidence. But let's